Hey everybody, welcome to Journey to Vitality. In this video, we'll show you how to create a sustainable healthy eating plan in just 5 easy steps. Did you know that nearly 95% of people who start a new diet quit within the first few months? The problem isn't lack of willpower, it's the approach. Creating a healthy eating plan that actually lasts is about sustainability, not restriction. Today, we'll show you how to build a simple, sustainable eating plan in just 5 easy steps that will transform how you think about food and help you achieve long-term success. Number 5. Set clear and realistic goals. Setting clear and realistic goals is the foundation of a sustainable, healthy eating plan. Without defined objectives, it can be challenging to stay motivated or measure progress. To create effective goals, it's important to apply the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This structured approach encourages individuals to set goals that are clear and attainable, leading to a greater likelihood of success. For instance, instead of a vague goal like, "I want to eat healthier," a more specific goal would be, "I will include at least 2 servings of vegetables in my lunch every day for the next month." The process of goal setting begins with self-reflection and assessment of current habits. Understanding what motivates you, as identifying specific challenges, is essential in formulating effective goals. For example, if you tend to skip breakfast, setting a goal to have a balanced meal each morning can create a positive shift in your eating habits. This not only helps regulate hunger throughout the day, but also provides essential nutrients to kickstart your metabolism. Research shows that individuals who engage in self-reflection are more likely to identify practical and meaningful goals that resonate with their personal health journeys. When setting goals, it's crucial to ensure they are realistic and attainable. Overly ambitious goals can lead to frustration and feelings of failure, which may ultimately derail progress. A study published in the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine emphasizes the importance of realistic goal setting in promoting sustainable health behaviors. For instance, instead of aiming to lose a significant amount of weight in a short period, a more manageable goal might be to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. This approach allows for gradual and sustainable changes, making it easier to maintain long-term results. Number 4. Assess your current eating habits. Assessing your current eating habits is a critical step in creating a sustainable, healthy eating plan. Understanding what you eat, when you eat, and how much you consume provides a solid foundation for making informed changes. This process often begins with keeping a food diary or using a nutrition tracking app to log your meals and snacks for at least a week. By documenting your food intake, you can identify patterns, triggers, and areas where improvements can be made. This self-reflection helps raise awareness of your dietary choices and sets the stage for more conscious decision-making. A food diary not only helps in tracking what you eat, but also encourages mindfulness about portion sizes and the nutritional value of your meals. Studies have shown that individuals who maintain a food diary are more likely to lose weight and make healthier food choices than those who don't track their intake. A study published in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that participants who kept food records lost nearly twice as much weight as those who did not. This illustrates the importance of self-monitoring as a tool for behavior change and accountability. In addition to tracking your food intake, it is essential to assess the timing of your meals. Many people have irregular eating patterns that can lead to overeating or unhealthy snacking. For example, skipping meals can result in extreme hunger later in the day, leading to binge eating on less nutritious options. Research published in the journal Nutrients highlights the importance of regular meal timing in preventing weight gain and promoting metabolic health. By identifying when you typically eat, you can create a more structured eating schedule that aligns with your lifestyle and reduces the likelihood of impulsive food choices. Number 3. Incorporate variety and balance. Incorporating variety and balance into your eating plan is essential for achieving sustainable health benefits. A diverse diet not only ensures that you get a wide range of nutrients, but also keeps meals exciting and enjoyable. Eating various foods helps prevent dietary boredom, which can lead to unhealthy eating patterns, such as binge eating or reverting to processed convenience foods. Moreover, including different food groups enhances the overall quality of your diet, promoting better physical and mental health. To achieve a balanced diet, aim to include foods from all 5 food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein sources, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Fruits and vegetables should make up a significant portion of your daily intake, as they are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. The American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 4 to 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. A variety of colors on your plate indicates a range of nutrients, so aim for a rainbow of options, including leafy greens, red and orange vegetables, berries, and citrus fruits. Whole grains should also be a staple in your eating plan. Unlike refined grains, whole grains contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which support digestive health and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Foods such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition indicates that whole grains are associated with a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, making them a crucial component of a balanced diet. Number 2. Plan and prep your meals. Meal planning and preparation are essential components of a sustainable, healthy eating plan. They provide a structured approach to food that helps you make intentional choices rather than succumbing to convenience or impulse. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you have a balanced diet that meets your nutritional needs while minimizing the stress associated with daily meal decisions. This proactive approach allows for better control over portion sizes, ingredients, and overall dietary quality, making it easier to adhere to your health goals. The first step in effective meal planning is to designate a specific weekly day for this task. During this time, assess your schedule and decide which meals you want to prepare for the upcoming week. Consider using a meal planning template or app to organize your thoughts and track your meals. This can include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Make a grocery list based on your planned meals, ensuring that you have all the necessary ingredients. Research indicates that planning meals can significantly increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while decreasing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. Number 1. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Listening to your body is a fundamental aspect of creating a sustainable, healthy eating plan. This approach emphasizes tuning into your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, which can help you make more intuitive food choices. By developing a better awareness of your body's signals, you can learn when to eat and when to stop, promoting a healthier relationship with food. This practice is particularly important in today's fast-paced world, where external cues dictate our eating habits rather than internal signals. Mindful eating is a technique that can enhance your ability to listen to your body. This involves being fully present during meals, savoring each bite, and recognizing the flavors and textures of your food. By slowing down and focusing on the eating experience, you can better understand your hunger levels and satisfaction. Research published in the journal Appetite indicates that mindful eating practices can lead to improved dietary choices and reduced overeating. When you eat mindfully, you are more likely to recognize when you are genuinely hungry and when you are full, reducing the likelihood of consuming excess calories. In conclusion, creating a sustainable, healthy eating plan doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following these 5 simple steps, setting clear, achievable goals, prioritizing whole foods, practicing mindful eating, maintaining portion control, and staying consistent, you can build a lasting relationship with nutritious meals that support your overall well-being. Small intentional changes lead to long-term results, ensuring that your healthy habits become a natural part of your everyday life. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you feel about your food choices. If you found these 5 steps helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to improve their eating habits. For more tips and insights on health and wellness, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.